Hi everybody, I'm Tyson Murphy. Thanks for watching 3D Motive. In this video, I'll be going over how to create these stylized fantasy game assets, this sword and the shield. And this video assumes that you already have a working intermediate knowledge of Maya and Photoshop. I'll be going over my process to take some original concept art and go to completed model and completed hand-painted textures for these. I'll go over how to do some low poly modeling. I'll show how I prepare my UVs to hand paint the textures. And most importantly, I'll go over the actual painting of the textures themselves. Hand-painted stylized textures are something that video game studios are really starting to embrace as a stylistic choice. In a nutshell, what hand-painted texturing means is basically we don't employ the use of normal maps or any secondary color maps or anything like that. We just paint directly in a traditional method onto the texture maps. I love this style of texturing, and I think I'll have some really good tips for you. Thanks again for watching. Let's go ahead and get started.